Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Green Tea Garden. So today guys, in this video I'm in the greenhouse and I'm going to show you guys how to grow scallions right at home in a container, guys. It's not hard, trust me. I did it and you could do it. So this video guys are for beginners who are now starting off garden and ready to grow homegrown scallions, guys. So let me show you guys right here what I did. Guys, so right here you could see my one container of scallion. It's pretty good size of bucket. I actually got this from the Dollar Tree, so it's only $1. I made some holes on the bottom so we have some air coming in. Basically what I did from the starting, I just had regular soil. There's some mulch in here, and then I just sprinkled some seed, cover it up a little bit soil. Within the first week after watering and stuff like that, I already see the scallion were shooting up. So I do have another container of scallion which I overwater a little bit. So guys, I'm gonna show you. Saying hi, guys. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys right here how it looks when you overwater. As you see, my soil, it's green, so that's mean the soil is, there's a lot of water going on here. So I'm not gonna water this for the next few days. So this is scallions. This right here, guys, I planted this a week and a half ago. So I just tossed a bunch of seed in there, and as you guys see, it's already growing. Right? We got spiders in here. That's good. So basically, guys, after you planted your seed, you waited a week. Over a week, it looks like that. This is a little bit over 2 months. Over 2 months now, it's been growing, and I just cut a whole bunch yesterday. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick, like this guy right here. So this right here, guys, is the seed. Some of them will have it. As you see, I had it a bunch that had this seed, and I already cut it off. So those are the seed right there. So basically, guys, what I'll do, I'll leave this to grow a little bit more, let it expand, open up, and get dry, and then I'll cut it out. Once I see you could start seed open up more better, and right in here, if you could look carefully, that will be a black seed in there. So that you could replant and you get more scallions. There's another way you could do it. When you cut this right here, you take it out from the root, and that root right there, you could either soak it with water. You could soak it with water for a week, and then you'll see the root start expanding more, it start growing. But I would say take this out from the root, and you could put it back in any different spot of soil, and it'll just grow. I'll cut it like that right there, and then within another week, it'll just keep growing. So it just continue growing. So basically we could just cut all this down right now and it keep growing. But as you look, the way I've been clipping it is not even. I don't come too close to the bottom of the joints them. I just didn't want to do it to interfere with any, roots or any problem. So I've been clipping it higher. This one is a little bit low, but look, this one is higher. So they're all different lengths. So let me show you guys right here. Oh, as you can see, they're starting to grow back already, and it'll come fast. These guys are delicious. They smell great. And you could see, oh look right here, there's another seed and bud coming up there. There's not a seed coming here. So I could plant that in a different area, maybe outside. So guys, scallions are so easy that you could start off inside. So you could start it off for a couple weeks inside, and then it grow. Leave it by the window. The window where there's sunlight, it's good. It'll help it grow faster. And then eventually, you could just take it outside. You could take it outside, or you could open up your window to get some air, get some sunlight, get used to the temperature. And it's so simple. It's this one of the simplest thing to grow. For me, scallion was very, very easy to grow. It was just water. Just seed and just water, guys. That's all. That's all I did. I just put some seed down, cover it up 1/2 inch with soil, and I water almost every day. And then that's it. Scallions. So my main tip for you guys would say spread out the seed. The seeds are very tiny, so it was really hard to spread out all over, but they're really close. The roots are not that big, and it's not a big deal if they're close. So I'm gonna put a bunch more here of seed. I'm gonna use that same seed and put a bunch more in here, so this whole container is gonna fill up with scallion. So if you guys, if you got a big package with seed and you want, make sure you get like a wider mouth container, so it's like wide, and spacious a little bit inside, and then you could plant a whole bunch of scallions. It's not a problem, guys. I had no problem with it so far. My last container before this last year was way big and crowded, and I always produce scallions, a lot of scallions, aka green onions, guys. If you guys are new to the garden world, or been in the garden, you know, guys, you know, growing your own stuff, it tastes 100% better. It's fresh. I cook almost every day, so using these fresh herbs is 10 times better, guys. So it's easy, it's not hard, and you could get your own scallions. If you have a greenhouse, it grows really fast of the heat. For some reason, it's hot in the greenhouse, so this guy grows really, really fast. Grows indoor, it grows outdoor, it grows pretty much anywhere. I have no problem with scallions. I'm sorry if you guys do, but hopefully this video could fix that so you guys have no problem with scallions. Green onions. And guys, if you're new to my channel, please, there's a red button right there and says subscribe. Click on that, click on the bell icon. As soon as you do that, guys, anytime I post a video, it'll pop right up. You guys will see it. You guys could learn. If it's a video that you like and you really like it, please give us a thumbs up. It'll help my channel. It's 100% free to subscribe. And if you guys have any question or any tip for myself, please leave in the comment below, because I'm still learning and I will love to learn more. It's always good to learn.